Hi guys, it's me Roland, and for today, ang topic natin is about integration using power rules and other rules. Sorry for the background.
Yeah, Bay on flexing, extensive. Brand new route.
Now, as what I've said kanina, we will be talking about integration. Specifically, we will be evaluating these following integrals using the power rule, and using these formulas, the integral of dx is simply equals to x plus c, the integral of c f of x dx, wherein c is our constant, is equals to c times the integral of f of x dx, and finally the power rule formula, which is the integral of x raised to n dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, wherein n is not equal to negative 1. Now, on this first example, where the given is the integral of 3 dx, we'll be first using this rule, no? Where ilalagay natin sa labas ng integral sign yung ating constant 3, wherein the result will be 3 times the integral of dx. Now, we all know from this rule that the integral of dx is simply x plus c. So, therefore, our final result would be 3 times x plus c. Now, for our second example, ang given natin is the integral of x cubed dx. Ang gagawin natin ay susundin natin itong rule na to, where the integral of x raised to n dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Take note na yung n natin is ito, yung exponent, which is number 3. Yan, so ang una nating gagawin is lalagay natin dito x cube plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. Kasi ito yung n natin 3 plus 1. Yan. And then, if we solve that, our final result would be, or will be, x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Now, down to our third example, we have the given the integral of 2 square root of x dx. So, bago tayo mag-power rule, ang una muna natin gagawin is susundin muna natin itong rule na to, wherein ilalabas natin ng ating constant 2 sa labas ng ating integral sign. So, we will have the result of 2 times the integral of square root of x dx. Now, gagawin natin, hanapin natin ang square root na itong x. Now, we all know that functional form ng square root of x is 1/2. So, therefore, resulting natin is 2 times the integral of x raised to 1/2 dx. Now, applying the power rule, 2x raised to 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. Now, if we add both the exponent and the denominator to 1, it will result to 2x 3/2 over 3/2 plus c. Ngayon naman is to simplify this further, no? Atin muna isi-simplify itong complex fraction na to. So, therefore, hahanapin natin ang reciprocal na itong 3/2. Now, the reciprocal of 3/2 is 2/3. Yung 2/3, imumultiply natin sa ating 2 constants. So, our constant 2 multiplied to 2/3 will result to 4 over 3 times x raised to 3/2 plus c. Now, this will be our final answer. Now, for our fourth example, our given is the integral of dx over x raised to 4th power. So, unang gagawin natin is gagawin nating negative exponent itong 4. So, magiging the integral of x raised to negative 4 dx. Now, susunod na gagawin natin is eto, yung power rule. I-apply natin dito. So, we are going to get x to the power of negative 4 plus 1 over negative 4 plus 1 plus c. Now, simplifying, we will get the result x raised to the negative 3 over negative 3 plus c. Next naman gagawin natin is, eto pasensya na, nagkamali lang dito sa side. Gagawin natin una is, etong negative exponent natin is gagawin nating positive. So, the positive netong negative 3 will be negative 1 over 3. Tapos, eto naman, remember kanina, no? X raised to negative n, where n natin is negative 3, ay magiging, so, negative 1 over 3 times 1 over x to the third power, or x cubed plus c. So, we will rewrite this. So, we can rewrite this as negative 1, 3 times x cubed, so 3x cubed plus c. Therefore, this is our final answer. We are already down to our final example, which is integral of 2 dx over the cube root of x. So, ang una nating gagawin muna is to follow this formula, no? Wherein ilalagay natin itong constant 2 natin sa labas ng integral sign again, resulting to 2 times the integral of dx over cube root of x. Now, since we have the radical, hahanapin natin itong cube root ng x, but we will rewrite it into a fractional exponent resulting to x raised to 1/3. Now, the third step na gagawin natin is, since we have the power of x dito as the denominator, we will rewrite this exponent into a negative exponent resulting to 2 times the integral of x raised to 1/3 dx. Now, sa part naman na to, after nito, is dito na natin i-apply itong power rule. Yan, yung third formula na yan, resulting to 2 times x to the power of 1/3 plus 1 over 1/3 plus 1 plus c. Now, simplifying further, no, the result will be 2 times x to 2/3 over 2/3 plus c. Now, for us to simplify this complex fraction, kagaya ng example natin kanina, hahanapin muna natin ang reciprocal netong 2/3. So, reciprocal ng 2/3 is equals to 3/2. Tapos, gagawin natin, etong reciprocal is, i-multiply natin dito sa 2. So, 2 times 3/2, bring down, times x to the power of 2/3 plus c, will result to 3 times x to the power of 2/3 plus c. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video natin ngayon, lalo na dun sa mga nahihirapan pa mag-evaluate ng integrals, and I hope na it will help you answer your examinations and your quizzes regarding to evaluating integrals. Good day!
Yeah. Bay on flexing, extensive. Yeah, I'm just brand new route.